All right, traders, it's Irvin here. Welcome back, everyone. This is what we're gonna do this week, guys. I'm gonna go straight up to the answer. Hopefully this is gonna be the Forex secret hack that you must watch. So let me show you. So we're gonna start with the very first pair of the day, and that is going to be Euro USD. So one of the things that you have to do, no matter what you do here on the market, guys, is always pay attention what 4 hours and daily time frame is doing. Just by looking at the dashboard, guys, you will have the answer what the market is telling you. If you pay attention here, the market is letting us know that the daily time frame is in a buy and the 4 hour is in a sell position. I'm sorry, for daily is in a buy and 4 hour is in a downside, right? So what's the difference when you see that? That means that, guys, the lower time frame, 4 hours all the way to 5 minutes, the market is doing a pullback at this present time. Now let me show you the real data, because that's what you're here for, just to get real information. This is my analysis for this. That's why I'm titling this this video, guys, to discover the best forex trading opportunity or hack, however you want to call it, here on the market. So always, we already saw the daily time frame is in chart. It's like that we are doing what? A pullback. So if you pay attention here, 4 hours multiple time frame is letting us know that we are in a what? We are in a buy trend, right? What is next? Pay close attention, guys. What is the TW sniper entry doing? It's telling us that we are in a buy trend. Look at the stairs. Where is the stair heading, guys? Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. What is the real trend doing? The real trend is still bullish. So Euro USD, it is in a buy trend. It's like the 4 hours in here is telling us that we are doing a what? A retracement. So that's exactly what we're doing. So this is my weekly analysis for Euro USD. I believe the market is still gonna be pushing to our 50 Fibonacci as a buy trend. From there, we're gonna be coming back down, because remember, the bearish is active. Market is gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 touches in here, and then we'll continue on that buy trend. What do you think the market is gonna do, guys? That is my weekly analysis for Euro USD. Let me give you another amazing pair that I think it will blow your mind, and that it is GBP JPY. Look at the dashboard, guys. What is the dashboard doing? The answer is there. You can't get confused, guys. The answer is on there. Look at that. It's telling us the 4 hours and daily time frame is in what? Is in an uptrend. It's going up. So we already got the answer just by looking at the dashboard. Now let's move on to reality. So we need to see if the real trend is doing what the dashboard is doing. So let's go ahead and see it. There you go. Look at how beautiful this trade is, guys. This is what I love trading with multiple time frame. Look at that. Multiple time frame is here. Boom. Look at TW sniper entry. Boom. Look at the stairs, guys. Boom, 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 boom. Look at it. Where is the trend heading, guys? You here with me? Look at that. What is the original trend doing? It's bullish. How far is this bullish gonna go? In my opinion, still gonna come back and retest this trend line here. And then from here, we're getting ready for a pullback. And this pullback is gonna come down and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci. And then we'll continue on that buy trend. So GBP JPY, guys, still bullish. We're getting ready. Maybe by Tuesday, Wednesday, we are gonna be seeing a pullback. So stay tuned, okay? Do not take any sale yet. Remember, this is not signal. This is for educational purpose, but please do not take any trade and a sell position, because you will be in negative. All right, let me give you another amazing pair, and you guys let me know in the comment below if you guys are finding this video helpful. If so, make sure you do subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, hit the bell notification, and let's go. So let me show you gold. Pay close attention what gold is gonna do, guys. Look at the dashboard. What's the dashboard saying, guys? You got the answer there. You got the answer. Look at the dashboard. Just by looking at the dashboard, you already got the answer. Look at the daily time frame. It's telling us that we are not sell. Look at the 4 hours. It's telling us that we're not buy trend. So when the 4 hours in any lower time frame is going against the sell position, guys, that it is a pullback. That's what it is. Now that we had that, let's go ahead and check the real data, because that's what you hear, right? Look at that. Look at what the daily time frame is telling us, guys. Look at that. So here it is. Pay close attention to what I'm seeing here, guys. This is very, very important for you to know. Multiple time frame is here. TW sniper entry here. Look at this there. Boom, 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 boom. Look at the 4 hours. 4 hours telling us that we are doing a pullback. So pullback still valid. Look at that. How far is this pullback gonna go? In my opinion, still has strength to go to our 78.2 Fibonacci level. Why? Because its previous touches in here. Look at touch 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a well-respected area, and from there, boom, the market will drop like it's hot, guys. It will continue on that sell trend because the market here, it is selling. All right. So the goal here is, which pair are you planning to trade? Are you gonna be trading one of these pair, or how are you doing your weekly analysis, guys? Let me know, because this is crucial, guys. We're here to make money on it. All right. So guys, thank you so much for being here. God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Hasta la vista. Boom. Let's trade with Team with Urban.